Hi, we're Group 4. Today, we'll present about Salesforce. As you read the title, you may think that Salesforce based on cloud computing. So before I introduce Salesforce, I briefly explain cloud computing. Cloud computing is the use of a computing resource that are delivered as a service over a network, typically the internet. Types of Salesforce cloud computing is a platform as a service and software as a service. Platform as a service provide computing platform and a solution stack as a service. Software as a service is a software delivery model in which software and associated data are centrally hosted on the cloud. The company provides a customer and collaboration relationship management (CRM) service to business of all size industries worldwide and provide a technology platform for customers. In addition, the company named to top of Forbes most innovative companies listed in 2012. Why many companies use Salesforce? First, Salesforce features on-demand model of software distribution. If a company uses Salesforce, they need not large upfront hardware and software investment. So the company uses Salesforce, they could decrease many costs. Second, provide tools for customizing features. Many companies have each trade in business process, so they need customized tools for them. So Salesforce provides this. Next, case study. How does Salesforce.com use cloud computing? Salesforce uses the cloud computing in 4 parts: custom cloud, sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud. First, sales cloud. Sales cloud is composed of applications that improve sales. So this maximizes the ability to sell. For example, social account and contract. This brings social intelligence to sales process. This also gain insight from popular social media sites. Next, chatter. Chatter get the resource that need to close more deals. Also find expert access competitive information and track deals wherever. Next, mobile. This stay connected on the go with the sales cloud. Also, with the chatter for mobile device, everything comes to close, making team collaboration easy. Second, service cloud. Service cloud consists of applications that promote customer service and support help desk. I will say some features. Social contact center. This works smarter, all of case in one unified agent experience. Fully integrated with company call center, telephone, and back office apps. Next, communities. This increases loyalty and decreases cost, empower customer with collaboration. This also breaks down the silo between traditional self-service and peer-to-peer service. Next, social customer service. This delivers answer anywhere. This can use insight from their online profiles to deliver better answer faster. Next, marketing cloud. Those are made up of applications that monitoring social media and marketing. For example, social listening. This can list at social scale. Tap into real-time conversation from more than 400 million social sources. Workflow and automation. This aligns sales, service, and marketing. This brings social insight into Salesforce CRM to build more accurate customer profile. Next, engagement. This builds a community of advocates by connecting with the customer when and where they most engage. Last, custom crowd. This refers to full-stack application development that customers can develop applications specialize their business. Next presentation will explain another case study.
Okay, we've already talked about what is Salesforce and what is cloud system. Now I'm ready for you to understand and get well about Salesforce. And do you know who use for it? And as they taught to you, and Salesforce help to company between customers. Okay, look at this. It is good for to your understanding. Salesforce located between company and customers. Also, using Salesforce is shorter than company flying to customer in reality. Okay, who use this CRM? I want to speak is this Salesforce is customer relationship management. Do you know who use this CRM Salesforce is? Okay, there are I make these categories: product, SNS, finance. There are global company in here. In finance, in product, Apple, GE, Yamaha, and Dunkin. And SNS is as well known. We know Facebook. And finance is Schwab or Commonwealth and Fargo Bank. Of course, there are other categories. There are other categories which can't join in here, but product and social network service and finance is the most category who use Salesforce. Do you know their comments in product, SNS, finance? In their comments is lots of contact with customer and low cost strategy. Okay, you can remember Apple and GE likes IT company and Facebook likes SNS company. In their companies have lots of contact with customer and they are begin with low cost strategy. Okay, their common is the answer of main question. What kinds of business could benefit? The answer is IT companies and SNS company. Okay, Google, Apple, Facebook represent Salesforce's customers. First, Google. Salesforce is partnership with Google, and Salesforce is based on Google, and Google Apps, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Calendar is based on Salesforce. And second, Apple. Also, Apple is partnership with Salesforce. Salesforce interact with application and iCloud system. And finally, Facebook. Billion users in the world using Facebook. And I will cast to you. Who can manage billion users of Facebook? The answer is Salesforce. Salesforce manage billion of users of Facebook. Also, Salesforce have their chatter system for social network service. Okay, I will next presentation will give more information to you.
Hello everyone. I will present about case study question. What factors would you take into account in deciding whether to use Salesforce.com for your business? Okay, if we use some product, there must be an advantage about that product. First, using Salesforce.com helps us to cut down the expenses. Because if we use Salesforce.com, we do not need to eliminate the need for larger front hardware and software investment. That is so efficient and that makes us save our money. Okay, let's take on some example. The Haagen-Dazs, which is one of the ice cream brands. If Haagen-Dazs want to construct the database to manage their customers, they should spend $65,000 for a custom design database. However, if Hagen-Dazs use the Salesforce.com, they should just, as you can see, $20,000 and just 125 monthly fee. I think it is much more effective than to construct their own server to manage their customers. Second, Salesforce.com provides high-quality customer relationship management, which is called CRM. As you can see, CRM helps us to analyze the many factors which is related with our company, and they help to maintain relationship with customers. And also, they help to make the potential customers to the real customers. And through CRM, we can develop effective marketing strategy. That is the advantage of Salesforce.com. Third, if we use Salesforce.com, we can provide it the flexible customizing. I think in this society, expressing the creativity is very helpful to survive in society. In this term, Salesforce.com will be a good choice. As you can see, if we use Salesforce.com, we can create own application, and company can select functions freely, and that can help to express our creativity. That is the good things of Salesforce.com. Okay. This is the case of the success story that the company that used the Salesforce.com. I think these cases can prove the effectiveness of Salesforce.com. Okay, so far I talked about the reason to use the Salesforce.com, but it is true that there were some problems of the Salesforce.com. Okay, first reason is I said that if we use Salesforce.com, that is very effective, but how about for a long period? If we use Salesforce.com, we should pay the monthly fees to Salesforce. I think if we manage our business for a long period, it is not so much effective. But Digital Gartner consultant said that it may be cheaper to subscribe to Salesforce.com software services for the first few years. But what happens after that? I think that will be not effective much more than construct our server to manage our customers. And second, there were several system failures in the Salesforce.com, and that damages the Salesforce.com's reliability very critically. And these things increase of the, it is increased the need to increase of the Salesforce system stability and increase the running time, is that. I think if Salesforce.com want to fulfill all of those problems, increasing of using fee is unavoidable, and that will be the burden of Salesforce.com. And next presenter will talk about the challenge that Salesforce.com should meet.
Now let's consider some of the challenges facing Salesforce as it continues to grow, and then look how to handle those challenges. There are three challenges. First comes from increased competition, and second is to expand its business model into other areas. The last one is providing constant availability. Then let's talk about one by one. The traditional industry leaders release subscription-based versions of their CRM products in response to Salesforce. These small challengers also try to make some inroads against Salesforce's market share. Then how will Salesforce survive in this competition? First, there are so many things to do Salesforce to to go higher level, since it is not such a big company. Furthermore, to keep customers using Salesforce, it makes them reliable and secure. Second challenge is to expand business model into other areas. Now, using Salesforce is limited sales step. To expand its size, it needs to provide additional functionality through a partnership with Google and Apple and Amazon. With Google, it tries to accomplish more tasks via the web. For example, it combines with Gmail, Google Docs, etc. Another company is Apple. Apple is to distribute its applications for use on the iPhone. Last company is Amazon, is to enable customers to tap into Amazon's cloud computing service. Final challenge is providing constant availability. Subscribers want to use service always. So it provides tools to assure customers about system reliability and offers PC applications that users can work also offline. Last question is about that. Could a company run its entire business using Salesforce.com, Force.com, and AppExchange? I introduced some successful cases by using Salesforce.com. Dunkin' Donuts is one of them. It increases awareness of brand with social network function, and it forms a kind of loyalty. Furthermore, it results repurchases and recommended purchase. By using Salesforce.com, it increases sales amount of sales. The other example is ASICS. It uses Salesforce.com in marathoner support campaign. It was impressed for marathoners that they can be supported when running and they can remain the running video. But the cases we told is just case of huge company. So they just use Salesforce for better environment. So we think that for beginning companies, it is dangerous. So after it makes some stable infrastructure, it is okay to use it.
In telecommunication, do you think a telecommunication firm that is oligopoly in market needed to Salesforce.com? Let's discuss time. Thank you.